I need to come to the president. You don't need to come to me.
You come to me.
Yeah.
You come to me.
Yeah.
How are you, my brother?
Yeah.
I'll give you some love. I love you. I'll give you some love.
I love you.
How are you? No better cameraman in the world.
Let me tell you.
Yes. So, I mean, if you say it's beautiful.
Bafowethu ke tlhaka no ke mawaza mo Mzansi re sa bethale ke president ka patla ka 442 so president ya DA West Asian wa accuse Ramaphosa go fa di tender are offer nephew ya hae di tender o ba reng ke Hangwane Ramaphosa IG ka rena motho a ke mitsi ke first time ebile nko utlwa ka lebitse lo mmona motho a ke mitsi lo mmona a shifale shapo go sa tswa di video Santa Tamano Mumbiana bareke Momela Mopela yona ntlu ya Hangwane yena o ba reng ke nephew ya Ramaphosa ba re me bra o ha nne re motho a o mitsi mara shifa o di video ya tsona le batho ba bang mopela ntlu ya Damane Ramaphosa re ke coincidence ntwe maybe yena na le mo wrong place na go at the wrong time mara motho a mitsi yena na te fetela Eba kopantsha di doto ba rene president ngara wa no re betha ka 442 re betha ka chaya o re betha ka levovu batho ba ba itsane batho ba ke family di tenda tse gore di tswile ka connection e tlangudi president nda so ba fana ba jileng ba le Ramaphosa ba itsane wa idina Ramaphosa ka mo batho ba go Thembisa hospital tšhelete ba lutileng go Thembisa hospital ba fana ba le ba rekile di Lamborghini ba rekile dimension na go Thembisa hospital ba re bala mo mpetong wa skepe ya ba re bala mo mpetong wa skepe ngare mpeto wa ma 26 ya go post mo prison o se ka mpeto wa teng ka mo batho ba cruiser ha ona di drip ha ona medication ko Thembisa hospital wa cruise wa ka di Lamborghini so DA no ba call gore ba tshware this guy they are calling for the arrest of this guy but this guy re bolela bana o free we thile di milione ba tlile da so special investigating unit ba tlosisa di properties tsa hae mara motho he's still free so ba alwa DA rai ngare lena la mo protecta motho ngare vela ona le nthuishana mara for more updates.
So President Cyril Ramaphosa has responded to video of him being spotted outside the home of Hangwane Maomera. Hangwane Maomera is one of the people who looted the 2 billion rand from Tibisa Hospital. He got about more than 800 million rand. This is what his office says. The presidency spokesperson says it's merely a coincidence and that Hangwane Maomera's house just happens to be on his route when he goes for his walks. He was on a walk with his special advisor when he bumped into several people, one of them being the famous radio presenter Tibo Chach. He said he didn't even know at the time that this was Hangwane Maomera's house. The presidency spokesperson even maintains that despite having been previously married to Hangwane's aunt, they have no personal relationship whatsoever, and accused people of using that video as evidence of his relationship with Hangwane.
Hi guys, I just saw an article now that says Uguti Ramaphosa being at there was a video that was circulating, right? And that video is Cyril Ramaphosa in front of Hangwane Maomela's house, who is supposed to be his nephew, but he says he doesn't know him. Okay, so we have been going about the story where he says he doesn't know him. This video that has been circulating, at first bending I came because I thought, I wonder if this is a real video. Now I'm paying attention, I'm saying, but I'm on this video was actually posted by Uti Botash on Instagram. It's crazy how much people remember. You know, sometimes Abantu will dig up an old post, but like I don't understand who remembered to go to Uti Botash once posted a video Betibana no Ramaphosa, and they were standing right in front of Morgan Maomela. Lo Ato Ramaphosa, he has never met him Akamas. Okay, fine. Let's circle up. Let's first find out how is Ramaphosa actually supposed to be related to this guy, since the city Akamas. Morgan Maomela is linked to the Thembisa Hospital corruption where they looted the billions of money. Okay, fine. Let's quickly get to this part. I'm summarizing. So this is the chart. So Cyril Ramaphosa married Hope Ramaphosa the 1st of July 1978. Fine. Then Hope July had a sibling, which is a brother. Yebo. Basil Modao, whom brother wake married. Yabon. Umboneni Momel. Okay, you know about Chatanga, but they had a baby. they gave birth to Morgan Mamela. Lo atu Ramaphosa agamas. Yabon? So I mean it's possible that Mshamagamas, it's possible that Uyamas. I think what's strange is this. Ramaphosa stays in the same area. It's even worse that he's taking videos outside his house for Umdongamaz. It's weird, it's strange. I don't believe in coincidences, but let's continue. So this is the house of Morgan Mamela. I'm gonna play a video of you guys shortly where Ramaphosa, they were taking pictures there, no tripotage. But before that, let me play a video of Ramaphosa being asked about Morgan Mamela in Parliament, where he says, "I don't know this person," and then I'm gonna play a video of them in front of this house, and you tell me what you think.
No, you keep saying my nephew. I don't even know this gentleman. And so let's not even get there. I don't know him.
I need to come to the president. He don't need to come to me.
You come to me. You come to me. How are you, my brother?
Yeah.
I'll give you some love. I love you. I'll give you some love.
I love you.
How are you? No better cameraman in the world. Let me tell you. Yes. So, I mean, if you say it's beautiful.
And now there's an article that says Ugote Ramaphosa denies knowing Mamela, says video showing him outside the house of Tembisa looting accused is just a coincidence. Like, out of so many houses, you'll tell me that it's a coincidence that he takes a picture out, like literally at the gate of Mamela. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Ingakanani sentence. Sarah Ramaphosa spokesperson said a video showing him outside the Sentin home of Hangwani Mamela, a central figure in a massive corruption scandal involving the looting of over 2 billion from Tembisa Hospital, is purely a coincidence. Inkulu kangakanani isenti nabethuna uba kungakho such a coincidence.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. People are fuming ngemva kokuthi uCyril Ramaphosa aphike emshana wakhe uMorgan Mamela lo abanzakanyeka tukwe scandal se-corruption yokudla imali laphana eTembisa Hospital. So said kokuthi bathethe indoda yakhe. I think last week, yes, or yeah, I think last week on weekend angisakhumbuli kahle into Mamela lapha eSentina. Likhala ke guys likhula ngaphandle Mamela labanye bebaze basho ukuthi hayibo muse airport lena, and uyaphika uyashikisha ke uCyril Ramaphosa ukuthi uMamela mshana wakhe. He's even saying ukuthi akayiyadi le ndoda, uthi nje angimadi bantu bathi hayibo kanjani manje khahla ma picture nema video la ngaphandle kulikhala Mamela abonakala nabo tripotage hugging lapha abaqoqa outside the house of Mamela. Na noma singamboni Mamela kuleya video, but naku phela ngilo exactly lelikhaya la Mamela. Abantu batebuta ukuthi uphi kanjani ngokuthi akamade kuMamela kube umshana wakhe futhi naku siyabona ngaphandle kwelikhaya lakhe. So people are just saying ukuthi ayike kusho ukuthi what a coincidence, uyoma straight egedeni le muntu lesithi mshana wakho wena lena mhlomphika ukuthi umshana wakho uphika ushikishe ukuthi uMamela awumadi. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.